Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you my realizations this year, yung mga lessons, struggles, at kung paano ako nakabangon sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko. I've already been through so much in life. Bata pa lang ako like mga 10, maaga ako namulat sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi pa dapat naiintindihan ng isang bata. There were times when people pressured me to do things I wasn't ready for, at kapag hindi ko ginawa, sasabihin nila like, kaartihan yan, at kung ano-ano pa. Marami akong na-experience na hindi maganda nung bata pa ako, pero hindi ko na ikukwento yun dito. For my privacy na lang din. They didn't realize that by saying those words, they were hurting a child. They were causing emotional trauma, social anxiety, low self-esteem, becoming a people pleaser, social fear, and emotions that were constantly suppressed. And I carry all of that with me. I went through so many painful experiences, and no one helped me except myself. Although my friends, they were trying naman. And when I was 19, I finally chose to walk away from everything that was breaking me. And that's when I met people who became close to my heart. At dumating din si Max. And slowly, I started to feel okay again. He became my strength, especially during the moments when I was completely exhausted and ready to give up. Things started to feel lighter and I felt hope again. But this year, life tested me once more. Nung time na nagkaroon ng influenza, so lahat na kami nagkahawaan na. So nagkaroon na kami ng sakit and I could barely move my body talaga. Hanggang sa, ayun, may namaalam na. Mahirap tanggapin, everything happened so fast. Tapos, hindi na niya makikita yung mga batang lumalaki. And that thought hurt so deeply. Pero ayun, mahirap na ibalik ang kahapon kung pwede lang talaga. Sa lahat ng napagdaanan ko, I realized that no one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. I realized protecting your peace is not selfish, it's necessary. And I realized that you can't keep giving when you are already empty. You need to choose yourself first because you can't help anyone if you don't know how to help yourself. I learned to distance myself from negativity, from ungrateful people, and from those who only spread toxicity. I chose peace. I chose healing. I chose to surround myself with people who bring peace and positivity into my life. Despite everything, I am still grateful. Grateful for the lessons, even the painful ones. Grateful for the people who stayed. Grateful for the strength I didn't know I had. To those who hurt me, I'm learning to forgive you. Not because you deserve it, but because I deserve peace. And I apologize if may nasaktan man ako. Kaya grabe ngayong papasok pa lang ng 2026, pinaparamdam na sa akin ni Lord na ito yung time na pinag-pray ko sa Kanya. Na parang bang sinasabi niya sa akin na 2026 is gonna be my year. Thank you Lord sa lahat-lahat. Ngayon pa lang dami mo nang binibigay sa akin. Thank you so much po. So no matter what happens, I will keep going for my dreams, for my future, and most of all for Max. Hi baby, I love you. And that's it for today's diary. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And a simple reminder, take a moment for yourself always. XOXO.